Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to change the blinker light today in the 2006 Corolla. Before we get started, I'd like to tell you thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It'll help move this video to the top so others can see it. Well, let's begin. So I got the trunk open and we'll get a better view here of how we're going to get this changed. Okay guys. Try and get you the best angle I can here without getting my head in the way. There's just a cover here inside your trunk. It's on the left and the right. So if you need to get into either side, you just got to pull this cover off. It just pulls right off. It's held in by just the little flaps. We'll just set it down to the side. So now we have access to our brake light here and our blinker light turn signal right over here. So let's see here. Get your fingers on it and twist to the left, twisting counterclockwise. Okay, and once you do, it'll pull right out. It's an orange colored bulb. And the number on this one is 3157. We're going to take it out here. Should just pull right out. This one you can see is been in a while. All the orange is flaking off of it. We're going to pull this out here. Just kind of wiggle it out, wiggling it back and forth. Took quite a bit of force there to get it out. Just kind of an FYI for you guys when you do it. This one was in there pretty good. Now, this one actually still works, so I'm going to put it back in. Probably going to have to end up replacing it now, like all this orange coating came off, but we're just going to show you how to reinstall. So you replace it with the 3157 orange colored bulb. Let me get this close so you guys can see it. Yeah, this is a Sylvania. I think I replaced this some years ago and I just never made a video for it, so I wanted to make sure to make one to show you guys. It can go in either way. Just kind of snap in. Went in a lot easier than it came out. And then when we put this back in, let's show you guys the hole here. Alright, really quick, we're just going to come in here so you guys can see. That's where see if it'll focus. That's where the hole is up close. Right here is your brake light, this one here. And I have another video on that, so if you want to see how to replace that. And then this one here is your blinker light. Okay, let's put this back into place. You guys still see okay? Yeah, looks good. Yep, that's my Gauntlet Dark Legacy in there in the back. I got a video on that. If you want to see it, please watch. All right, so same deal. So we took it out counterclockwise. So when we put this back in, we're just going to put it in the hole. And once you have it in there, a couple little notches too that got to line up. You can see these notches here. They got to line up properly with the hole. So you can see there's like a grouping of two of them here. Those ones go on the top. So once you get it pushed in, like those notchings in the hole, then you're just going to turn it clockwise. Not even a quarter turn and you hear it snap into place there. We're just going to get the wires tucked back in here and put our cover back on. Now we're going to give it a test. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You can see it's working there. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you guys watching. Check out all my other great videos, and thank you again, and have a good day.